Open the big present.
Go on.
This is massive. Did you get a doll house?
Is that what Santa
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Bathroom and everything.
And the beds and the piano. Oh, is that an elevator?
That's an elevator that works.
Oh my
And look,
goodness.
it even has a toilet.
Oh, an umbrella.
Right. And a birthday cake already in the
Oh my goodness. What do you guys think about that?
Perfect size for Barbies as well.
Barbie in here.
It is the
And then
perfect size.
Go down to that floor, and then back up here.
Oh, whoa.
Let's go get our Barbies.
You have two of them right on your bed, right on Lola's bed. There's two of them on
Go
there.
get our Barbies.
Thanks for wrapping it.
Oh, thank you so
you're
much,
welcome.
Ma.
I'm sorry to put so much paper.
Oh, who cares? We got loads of paper. That's old paper anyways. All right, here they come with their Barbies. They're ready to go. And a horse.
Oh, we got everything, huh?
Park the horses
Is that a
outside.
present for Mummy and Daddy?
That's from Santa.
Santa got that.
Oh, yeah.
And Mom and Dad.
That's right.
Horses, heads in the window. Look at the
Yeah, look,
Barbies.
now the horses can look in, huh? While someone's on the toilet, huh?
Look, there's stairs. What a cool
Try the elevator.
house.
See how the elevator works.
Is this what you wanted?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nancy, we got this.
Oh, try this. Try the elevator.
Does this go
Gwenny,
with
Nancy, here. Let's from us.
what is this?
Special vodka.
Wow.
Isn't that
The
neat?
finest you can buy.
Oh my God.
That's where Gwen